If you guys remember this video, it's from June 10th, 2026, and the sirens went off on my birthday, so here we go.
Maybe something else, it just sounds like pretty sirens. When I stop filming, you shouldn't do what I'm fucking trying to talk to you.
Sorry. Well guys, this is weird. I was confused and I didn't know what was going on. I think they're malfunctioning or something. Oh, something's on me. We're under a tornado warning. I don't know why they went off. Yeah, the storm passed. I don't know. They probably saw the rotation. Honestly. Think that they saw the rotation. Me personally. This mosquito's killing me. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna keep filming just in case they set them back off. Just in case they set them back off. Yes. My God, freaking mosquito! Sorry, guys. I'm gonna be out here really quick just to see if they're gonna set them back off. Okay. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why the siren went off, but that was weird. Okay, that's weird. There might be more storms coming, that's probably why. Crap. I honestly think there's more storms coming, that's why they set them off.
That's coming right for us.
You think this might be a tornado warned storm?
Maybe.
Shh.
Sorry for my language, but I kind of cussed there. You can tell I'm shaking, can't you? Oh, today is my birthday.
Happy birthday. You're 17.
Yeah.
Be careful, Ed, okay?
Okay. I have my sirens going off as well. Thank God they're set up. I honestly am thank Goded for this.
I don't know what that was, but
I'm
okay.
gonna keep filming just in case they go back off. I'm honestly confused of why the tornado sirens went off. Malfunction, siren test. Well, siren test was last week. I don't know what is going on. The siren test was last week. I honestly am confused.
It was something else.
Yeah, I am honestly scared. Listen,
Just watch. One of
warning you,
these
tornado
days it's gonna
sirens.
happen again. My Luca's gonna hear me.
It's starting to rain again. I'm gonna tell Grandma the siren just went off in Salina. I don't know what it was about. I think he's confused as well. I think everyone's confused. There would be no way of the sirens being that loud for a frickin' test. There would be no freaking way it would be that loud for a frickin' siren test. Something must be coming in. Something must be coming in. Because there would be no way they would activate the siren for that stupid reason. Yeah, there's a little bit of green in here. I think some people are confused right now of why the sirens went off. Oh my God. My leg is shaking right now. Yep, it's starting to rain again. I think. Or it's just me under a tree. Yeah. It's starting to rain. Come on.